welcome to Choo-Choo's Toy Mania. This is the tractor room, and also like and subscribe.
All right, show us around here. What do we got? We just walked in. So we got all kinds of old stuff that was used back in the day. Just a living. Yeah, look at all this stuff. Old tools.
Oh, this thing.
And there's the
This right here.
charts right there. Everything that's on these walls. So my dad, he would, children who didn't make it through their cancer, this is how he honored them. And
Wait, what?
Some loved trains, some loved tractors. So he battled cancer, or my dad battled cancer since 2004. He loved this stuff. Love people coming out here and seeing what he's got. Yeah, he's got his own little workshop over there, huh?
Yeah.
And lots of trains. All the trophies that Choo-Choo Grandpa's won with his tractors.
What, like the best tractor?
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah, something like that.
Pretty amazing. Here is, oh, this is Grandma Sarah's tractor. It's pink. Also representing, I believe it's breast cancer awareness. So.
Oh, something fell on the floor. Daddy.
What fell on the floor, buddy? Oh, a number did?
36.
Yeah.
Oh, this is pretty cool.
Pretty amazing, man.
Yeah.
Choo-Choo Grandpa definitely did a really good job of putting all this together. Absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, out of your favorite tractors, you got this one, you got that one, you got that one, you got that one, you got that one. Which one would you say would be your favorite? Take a good look at them. I'll keep scanning around, showing stuff in the tractor room, or tractor museum. And all the tools that you would use. Bunch of John Deere. This is the John Deere tractor. This one right here, the 19. Let's zoom in on it. I agree, man. That was a good one. Look at that. John Deere 1944B.
Yep.
Choo-Choo Grandpa. You know, there was a story once I heard that Choo-Choo Grandpa and I believe Grandma, they all loaded up on their tractors and they drove down to a Sonic, which, you know, a Sonic is a fast food place. And they all drove down there, and all their friends did, and all these tractors, and had lunch or dinner or whatever it was. Could you imagine pulling up to Sonic and seeing all kinds of tractors in every single lane, just pop, 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 pop?
Wait, whoa,
how cool is that? They are. I think they're probably all got little holes popped in them and stuff like that. So.
I mean, back there.
Yeah, they pop all the yoke and stuff out of it. All these tractor toys. These are the ones that get to stay over here because they're all John Deere. John Deere. Pretty amazing.
Yep. Love you, Choo-Choo Grandpa, and I miss you. This is Choo-Choo Toy Mania. Like and subscribe. Bye.